Greetings, planetary people here. Today's an eclipse. Um, I want to wish everybody a beautiful day today as we're moving through some different astrological experiences. I'm not an expert in astrology. I am an expert more so in frequency and energy streams that come through. I have been recently told I'm not an astrologer. Oh God. Anyway, it's I love feedback. I think feedback is awesome. Anyway, so today we're having a group come over to the house. We've got a pool here, and we're going to have some really beautiful people that are we're gonna celebrate and do some sort of ceremony or hang out or eat or laugh or swim. I don't even know. Anyway, it's going to be fun. So just wishing you with whatever you're doing today, just celebrating things that sometimes, like a lot of us, we don't really tune into the astrology stuff, or we don't really tune into energy or things like that, and that's cool. But it's like a good day, I think, anytime when you have something that's kind of coming through, that's a time to celebrate. And so that's what we're doing over here today, is we're really celebrating. Just some kind of astrological or the star family or galactic family. We're just kind of celebrating some things that are changing with the planets, and just kind of with our experience as we're receiving energy from, as above, so below. So we're always tuned in, and so I am, of course, not an astrologer, but I do tune into frequency. So I'm pretty tuned in with that, and notice it when it comes in. And so, anyway, have a great day, and I know that you will, and I don't know. Just keep smiling, keep laughing, stay in the joy, and really tune into what's really alive for you right now. Like, what's really alive for me is I'm letting my hair grow. I was gonna get it cut short and then color it, and then I was like, some like part Choctaw. Anyway, so I'm like gonna wear a braid now, I think, because it's just fun and it's hot here. I'm in Arizona. It's super hot. Hot, hot, hot. Anyway, have a most beautiful day. And I wrote some stuff this morning that came through pretty early in the morning, so I'm going to put it in the details underneath this YouTube. So kind of cool stuff is coming through, and just enjoy your day and experience whatever frequencies or energies or whatever it is, whether it feels wackadoodle or pretty groovy. Just, really tune in and be present. Be super sonically present to what is, and then let it go. You don't need to hang on to anything. Just have an experience and then create another one. Anyway, have a most beautiful day. May you be blessed.